Dear student, welcome back to our NIEVS Home School. Hope you are safe and sound at home. I am fine also. This is Shivli Shaha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Student, today I am going to take your home science class for the student of class 6. Student, you know that we have already completed our chapter 1. Today we will discuss creative question 1. So, student, from chapter 1, let's get started. Student, today's topic chapter 1, subject home science, creative questions. You have to answer your questions from here based on these questions. Creative questions. Ryan's mother has to purchase exercise books, pencils, erasers, playing balls, etc. for Ryan every time after a few days. One day, Ryan came back from the playground and kept his bat, ball and shoes scattered here and there. This made Rupa, his younger sister, stumble and get injury on her forehead. Student, this question is for you and there are 4 questions. You have to answer these questions based on these topics. Question number 1. What is the first environment of child's life? The answer of these questions will be the first environment in a child's life in his or her home. It is home where he or she grows up physically as well as builds up their values, morals and personality. Student, you know that home is our first environment and home is an important place for every children. Question number 2. B. What is meant by first aid? The answer of this question will be first aid is the initial treatment or care given to a person in case of any accident. The materials that are used for giving first aid include cotton, bandage, antiseptic solution or powder, pain reliever and ointment. Student, you know that first aid is the primary treatment after getting hurt in an accident. So, student, these elements are used as first aid elements. Question number C. Which habit of Ryan made Rupa injured? Explain. Student, the answer of this question is Rupa got injured as a consequence of the bad habit of Ryan as mentioned in the stem. On returning home from school, Ryan does not keep his belongings like books, bag and shoes in their specific places. He is disorganized and lazy. He does not keep his toys and game instrument back to their designated places after playing in the afternoon. Consequently, Ryan's sister stumbled over his scattered things and hurt her forehead. If Ryan had been organized with his things, then his sister would not have got hurt. Student, you know that everyone should keep necessary things after using it in their proper places. So, you have to practice it at home. Number D. What impact does such type of habit of Ryan have on our everyday life? Explain. Number D. Answer will be habits like that of Ryan as mentioned in the stem can hamper our lives. Ryan does not keep his things in the proper place after using them. As a result, he frequently loses his essential things. He further wastes time and energy to locate the misplaced items. Due to his unorganized nature, accidents frequently occur at his house. Instances as such lead to inconvenience and hindrance in our everyday works and chores. All things must be kept back in the designated places after using them. If the family members store the things in an organized manner, the things will be durable and the home environment will be tidy. So, student, Before going to finish this class, I will give you some exercise, some homework for you. Our homework number 2 today, and topic creative questions A and B from question number 1, A and B. Again I am telling you question number A and B. What is the first environment of child's life, and number B, what is mean by first aid. These two questions are for you for homework, and your homework submission date will be 13 February on Saturday, and time 9 am to 3 pm. Student, don't forget to submit your homework and to make it. Student, keep practicing at home and stay well at home. Hope you have understood our today's topic. See you in next class.